Have you ever pondered what happens when you consume chia seeds daily? Today, we're delving into this intriguing question. Chia seeds native to Central America have been a staple in the diets of the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition were once used as currency due to their high value. Fast forward to the present day, and they're making waves in the health and wellness arena. These minuscule seeds are packed with an impressive array of nutrients, and incorporating them into your daily diet can have some pretty remarkable effects on your body. From boosting your energy levels to aiding in weight loss, the benefits are numerous. But how do you go about consuming them? What's the most effective way to reap the benefits? And are there any precautions you should be aware of? All this and more await you in this enlightening journey. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the amazing benefits of consuming chia seeds every day. Chia seeds pack a nutritional punch despite their tiny size. Don't let these small seeds fool you. They are bursting with nutrients that are essential for our bodies. Primarily, chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of these seeds will meet nearly half of your daily fiber needs. They also rank high in the world of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. We're talking about alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 that the body can convert into EPA and DHA, the types found in fish. Now, let's talk protein. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of quality plant-based protein, making them a go-to choice for vegetarians and vegans. And we won't forget about the other nutrients. Chia seeds are a wellspring of calcium, coming in handy for bone health, and they're rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals. With such a nutritional powerhouse, it's no wonder chia seeds are a superfood. So, what can chia seeds do for your health? Let's delve into the myriad health benefits these tiny powerhouses offer. Firstly, chia seeds are a fantastic aid to digestion. Packed with dietary fiber, they can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain nearly 40% of your daily recommended fiber intake. This fiber not only aids in regular bowel movements, but also helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a helpful tool in weight management. Speaking of weight management, chia seeds are a low-calorie food that's high in protein and fiber, which can help control hunger and prevent overeating. They expand in your stomach, helping you to feel full and satisfied. This can lead to a reduction in calorie intake and contribute to weight loss goals. Now let's talk about heart health. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy effects. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. These little seeds are a plant-based way to boost your intake of these essential fatty acids. Chia seeds also contribute to strong bones. They're high in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. In fact, ounce for ounce, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products, making them an excellent choice for those following a dairy-free diet. Lastly, the fiber in chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels. They slow down the rate at which complex carbohydrates are digested and then assimilated into the body. This slow release of energy helps maintain a constant, steady blood sugar level, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and mood swings. So you see, these tiny seeds are a great addition to your daily diet. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, support heart health, build stronger bones, manage weight, or stabilize blood sugar levels, chia seeds can play a vital role. Now that you know the benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate chia seeds into your meals. First things first, let's talk about the versatility of these tiny powerhouses. They're quite tasteless, which means they can be added to almost any dish without altering the flavor. Think of them as the secret ingredient that keeps you healthy, without your taste buds even realizing it. One of the simplest ways to include chia seeds in your everyday meals is by sprinkling them on top. They add a nice crunch to your morning cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. And the best part, you start your day with a healthy dose of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a host of other nutrients. But don't just limit them to breakfast. You can also toss a spoonful into your smoothies, juices, or even your water. When soaked, chia seeds expand and form a gel-like consistency, making your drink a bit more filling and keeping you satiated for longer. Here's a fun idea. Have you ever heard of chia seed pudding? It's a delicious and healthy dessert or breakfast option. Just combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, let it sit overnight, and voila! You've got yourself a pudding packed with nutrients. You can add any toppings you like. Fruits, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey. But wait, there's more. If you're into baking, chia seeds can be used as an egg substitute. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and you have an egg substitute ready for your vegan baking adventures. In a nutshell, there's no shortage of ways to add chia seeds to your meals. You can mix them into your salad dressings, sprinkle them on your toast, or even incorporate them into your homemade granola bars. So the next time you're cooking, remember to reach for that jar of chia seeds. It's a small step towards a healthier you. As you can see, there's no shortage of ways to get your daily dose of chia seeds. Before you start loading up on chia seeds, there are a few things you should know. Chia seeds are undoubtedly a nutritional powerhouse, but like with any good thing, moderation is key. Consuming too many chia seeds could lead to certain side effects, so it's important to be aware of these to ensure you're getting the most out of your chia seed consumption. Firstly, while the high fiber content of chia seeds is generally beneficial, overconsumption can lead to gastrointestinal issues. This can include bloating, gas, and even constipation. So, if you're new to chia seeds, it's best to start small and gradually increase your intake. Secondly, chia seeds have a unique property. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This not only means they can keep you feeling fuller for longer, but it also means that they can quickly absorb water from your body if you're not adequately hydrated. So, it's vital to remember to drink plenty of fluids when incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Lastly, while chia seeds are generally safe for most people, those who have difficulty swallowing or a history of swallowing disorders should take caution. This is because the seeds can expand in the throat, causing a blockage. So yes, chia seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet, but it's essential to consume them responsibly. Start with a small amount, keep yourself hydrated, and listen to your body's reactions. In conclusion, chia seeds are versatile, packed with nutrients, and can play a significant role in promoting overall health. But it's always important to remember that they are a supplement to a balanced diet, not a replacement. So as we wrap up, keep in mind that while chia seeds can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, they are not a magic cure-all. The best approach to health is always a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. Remember, moderation is key. Now go out and enjoy the health benefits of chia seeds.